हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं गरिमा और स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल में। आज जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने ऑलरेडी एक कलरफुल सा मेकअप किया हुआ है बिकॉज अभी स्प्रिंग आ गए हैं एंड स्प्रिंग इज़ अ सीजन ऑफ फुल ऑफ कलर्स। सो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक ब्यूटीफुल रेनबो कलर का आई शेडो ट्यूटोरियल किया जाए। सो तक आप मेरे चैनल को आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट द लाइक बटन। एंड यस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मच टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो। So first we will start with moisturizing. So I have applied this Cetaphil moisturizer. जैसा कि मैंने हर वीडियो में बताया है, sunscreen is also very important. So I applied this sunscreen now. Next, the way we are preparing our face, we should prepare our lips also. So I applied a MAC lip primer and next is the concealer. So first I'll start taking this beauty blender and उसको थोड़ा सा मैं fixing spray से wet कर लूँगी so that it will be easy to blend the product. Next, after applying this concealer, I'll dab some loose powder on it ताकि जो भी उसका moisture है वो absorb हो जाए. Next is time for the brows. So I am filling my brows. You can see that you can fill your brows. And after filling the brows, let's highlight the outer part of our eyebrows. So you can see that with the help of this concealer brush, I'm applying all over my brows and I'll blended it. Next is we will start with the eyeshadow. So first I will start with the the light or nude shade and I'll start blending the nude shade on my outer crease to inner crease and I will follow my crease line. So आप देख सकते हैं. Next मैंने यहाँ पे एक ऑरेंज कलर का यूज़ किया है एंड अगेन आई एम फॉलोइंग माई द क्रीज लाइन और मैं प्रॉपरली उस ऑरेंज कलर को ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ अच्छे से ताकि जो हमारी क्रीज लाइन पे कोई भी ऐसी हार्श लाइन ना हो. एंड आफ्टर दिस I'll start with the color. So first I took this pink color. If you can see, I dabbed on my outer corners and to get the product better you can spray some fixing spray on the brush so that जो product है वो अच्छे से आपके brush पे आ जाएगा. Next I'm gonna take a little green color because as you can see on my thumbnail, today is the rainbow color. So I try to mixing match I try to put most of the color on my eyelids. So you already saw that मैंने सबसे पहले pink का use किया, then I use purple and then after that I'm using this green color and I'm with the help of small brush I'm blending. And next is the blue color. So I'm just simply dabbing the color on my eyelids from one section to another section, and after that we will blend all the outer crease whatever is there. If there is any harsh line we will blend it all together. And at the last, if you can see, I use this orange color. It's a dark orange color and yes, simply the same process you can follow for both the eyes. And after that, at last I'll use a yellow color so that it will highlight my eyes because lighter color always gives more highlighting to your eyes. So you can see मैंने यहाँ पे अपने inner corners में yellow color apply कर लिया है. Next is to do the liner. So यहाँ पे मैंने first एक पतली सी eyeliner की line draw की है because anyhow हम यहाँ पे eyelashes लगाने वाले हैं तो I just make a simple thin line of eyeliner. So after this, it's time for the eyelashes, and for eyelashes I'm using this Kiss one and I'm using Ioni glue. So now you can see that मैंने already eyelashes apply कर लिए हैं. And जैसा कि मैंने अपनी हर वीडियोस में बताया है कि whenever you are applying eyelashes, make sure आप उसके ऊपर से एक कोट ज़रूर eyeliner का अप्लाई करें because उससे क्या होगा, जो भी आपकी glue है वो visible नहीं होगा. And after this I'm merging my false lashes with the original lashes with the help of mascara. Next is to clean the excess whatever is there, and after that I'm applying this NYX primer to prep my face. And after this वो जो भी आपके face में discoloration है, for that I am using the color corrector, so especially on my under eyes. Next is the foundation. So today I'm using this MAC foundation and with the help of this concealer brush I am applying all over my face the foundation. And again some spray on the blending sponge, and then you can start blending your foundation. उससे क्या होगा, it's properly अच्छे से blend होगा. And make sure आप अपने eyes और and ears और neck area को भी same blender से follow करें. Next is time to for a concealer, and same I'm using a MAC concealer, and with the help of the same concealer brush, I'm applying the concealer on my face, under eyes, and wherever I feel. So for contouring today, we're gonna use this Neutrogena liquid contour, and with the help of this brush, I'm going to apply on my temple of my face, my nose bridge, my jawline and cheekbone, and then with the help of this beauty blender, I'm gonna blend this out properly. After blending, next is to set our makeup, and for that I'm using this Rimmel London loose powder, and with the help of this beauty sponge, I'm applying on my jawline and under my eyes. I know it's look more because आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा होगा, but it's not like that. We will put lot of loose powder on our face so that जो भी हमारे body की heat है उससे हमारा makeup set हो जाए. And जब तक हमारा makeup set हो रहा है, next we will do the lower lash line, and same with the help of small brush, I'm applying all the colors whatever I put on my upper eyelids. So after applying that, the next we will gonna put the kajal on eyes. So make sure जब भी आप काजल या कुछ भी लगा रहे हैं, आप beauty sponge की help से लगाएं, because whenever you put your direct finger on your face, your makeup will come out. So with the help of sponge, try to hold your face. And next is to do the bronzing. So you can see that I did bronzing, and after that we will clear out this whatever the loose powder we applied. So मैं उसको properly अपने face में mix कर रही हूँ. So you can see. So next is time for blush. Here I am applying Lakme blush, and after that I am spraying some fixing spray. So make sure that you cover your eyes with the help of your hand, because directly fixing spray को हमें eyes पे नहीं डालना है. And you can do I did my lip liner, and with the help of beauty blender I am pressing the product. So now next time for my favorite part, which is highlighter. So I am applying a highlighter on my cheekbone and my nose and my Q-tip, and with the help of small brush I'm applying under my brow bone also. And now I'm using this MAC lipstick, and so finally you can see how this eyeshadow look turned out. This is looking, I love the colors, how it turned out on my eyes. So finally you can see that how this look is looking. You can see it's completely like full of colors and everything. So you can see how it is looking. And yes, hope आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, so please मेरे चैनल को अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and tell me in the comment section that how you like this video or not. And yes, I will come with some other video and vlog. Till the time, take care. Bye.